Okay, Che, this is what I'm actually starting off with. So, like I told you, I'm gonna start off with a little bit portion of the carbs, which I woke up late today and I only ate one small, like one roll, like this one. I only ate one so far, only one. When I woke up this today at around um, 11 a.m. So they really want the challenge starting today. So I'm about to eat my food, my veggies now. So after now, after 6 p.m., it's gonna go all the way to before 10 a.m. in the morning. I'm not gonna get anything. I'm not gonna eat anything. So I'm gonna show you my weight because this is a 7-day water challenge. So I'm gonna show you guys how much my weight starting today. So I'm gonna show my scale. This is my scale here. Okay, so that's 0.
Wait, let me see
This
how
is
much I
0.
weigh.
No. Let me do mine first.
Here you go.
So hold it, because I'm gonna do mine first. So, oh, it just went off.
Here you go.
Okay, that's 0. Let me step on the scale so you guys can see how much weight I weigh. How much now?
190.
So now,
Let me see my weight.
so you guys see how much I weigh? I weigh 190. 190. That's how much I weighed. Gaining weight from. Oh, my hair is so ugly.
Oh my god, I'm 131.
So my weight, my usual weight before I had my kids,
Oh, he's one.
I was always 134. That slim, Chuukese fit-on woman. After I had my 6 children, they gave me the ugly everything, like my hair, my skin, my fat stomach.
So it's our fault.
This is the one I want to get rid of, EJ. My fat, creasy stomach. And that's the 7-day challenge. EJ, you were the one. You really make me want to do this. So you inspire me since you lost. How much weight you lost? 13 and a half or whatever, 15 pound you lost without even getting all those chemicals, all those sapping medication, all those lose weight products. You didn't do any of those except you just follow your own goal. So I'm following you, EJ. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna start today. So like I show you guys on the scale, my weight is 190. I kind of lost 1 pound because I was 191. Now I go down a little bit, 190. But starting from today, I slept the whole day because I stayed up last night making my yesai bread, making my yesai donuts. And then I woke up so late. I woke up like 11 a.m. That's why I didn't eat anything except hi Pipikonisa, hi Niapas. Get on the challenge, 7-day water challenge with me, my beautiful sisters. So we can all feel healthy and sexy and inside out, and also with a positive mind. So, man, I'm so craving for rice. For rice, ask Chuukese ladies, rice and corn and sakoburu and all those delicious fried chicken. I'm not gonna mention the fish because fish is really good for your protein. So, but the fried oily chicken, I'm craving for those. I'm craving for rice, but I'm gonna take those out starting from today. I might start off with a little bit portion, but I try. For today, I never eat rice, and I'm good. I'm good. I'm good until now. It's almost 6 o'clock. The curfew time is they say not to eat. So here is what I'm eating as dinner. Only veggies. This is only veggies. And that's gonna be my dinner. No more rice, no more corn, no more, what you call that? No more upwet, no more sakopurut, no more sakoputa bioga, or no more sakopu whatever, all those taros. Yeah, all of those, I'm taking it out. Carbs, carbo. Did you guys know carbs is really increasing your guys high cholesterol and your guys sugar? So you cannot watch those. So I'm just sharing my first day challenge, EJ. I'm sticking with my challenge, so I'm eating my veggies. This is my dinner, and that's it. So I'm gonna try for tomorrow again if I can make it, but I'm sure I will because I'm disciplining my brain to stick with the goal. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm just gonna keep updating what I do with the 7-day challenge, water day challenge, so I can stick with my goal. So hello everyone, all those beautiful, gorgeous Nyakapefituk, whoever wants to join me on this 7-day challenge, please put your name down so we can all have this challenge. Who knows, maybe next month we can do something like really great, awesome, fun things to do. So this is just the beginning. So Kiriso Zapo Hingerikewi, thank you very much everyone. I cannot speak in Fasumeriga just because there are some other people that cannot understand English, so I want everybody to understand the same thing I'm talking about. Even though I am an Okofichuk Vidiasai, that's my name on Facebook on my live videos. And that's it for now, because I'm gonna eat my salad. I'm gonna keep updating you guys if I lose weight or not with the 7-day water challenge. Thank you so much. See you guys tomorrow again. Okay, si papa tu se Vanessa. So here I am again, sitting in my truck waiting for my scheduled time for my other work. So I just decided to do a short video showing you guys the same thing I've been doing as eating my salad. A lot of us, we always say when we eat this mother, this salad, terira, which we call this lettuce, I think already, because we hardly eat this since we were growing up back in our islands, and we don't feel like these things make us feel full. So it's like whenever we eat this, we don't even feel like we're eating solid food. But really, I tell you guys the truth, if you start eating this salad, lettuce leaves, it's gonna give you more energy. It's gonna give you really, really light. You're not gonna feel heavy. You're gonna feel much, much better than the food you are craving for, like the carbs with like rice and corn and upward and all those carbs food. Eating more of a salad or any kinds of veggies, it's gonna give you healthy, energized, strong physical health. So this is my 5th day. I started out on Sunday. I still eat carb, but I decrease it down to small portion, not much. So I eat more of the salad or the other veggies. So yeah, like people would would say they don't like this particular thing because it doesn't make them feel like they're eating food. But to tell you guys the truth, this is much better than those rice and corn and oput and pura or those food you guys eat. This really helps your body stay healthy, and it's gonna make you feel energized. For some reason, I just don't know why all these veggies and salads are more better. It's more better than the carbs food we eat. So I'm actually just sharing this because through my work I've seen a lot of us Micronesian people that we are diagnosed with different kind of disease, and especially is because of the food we eat. We don't really take care of ourselves. We love eating all kinds of food, and the food we eat out here in the United States, all over the state, or some other people's food. It's not our local food. But sticking with all the veggies and stuff, these are more better. So just to update you guys on my 7-day challenge, I'm on my 5th day. My goodness, 2 more to go and I'm done. So if I don't reach the goal I try uh, to get to stay with, then I'm still gonna continue until at least I lose. My goal is to lose 20 pounds. So I started out little by little because I just don't want to overdo it and then not succeeded with what my goal that I'm trying to make it. So yeah, this is just something I want to share and update on my 7-day challenge for you, EJ. I'm still trying my best. I don't need the white rice today. I'm only eating salad and then the Thai corn. That's all. Thank you so much.